Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to do a fun envelope flip with you guys, and I'm going to do it in my art journal here. So what I have is my digital. I will put the playlist at the end of me showing you guys some other things that you could do with this one and stuff. But I thought today I would incorporate the digital into making my little envelope flip here. And yeah, it's one of my dried flowered ones where I put real dried flowers down. It's tea-dyed fabric that I did and then sewed. I did some sewing, some hand sewing, some machine sewing around. And yeah, I think it turned out really pretty. And it's got a set of 5. So I got some eco prints that come with it too. On I did some eco printing on tea-dyed fabric also. So it's a whole set of 5. If you guys want to come check them out in my Etsy shop, I'll put the link down below for you. So yeah, so I want to just incorporate that today and throw it in and make a little cool little flip with you guys. So let's get started here. So what I did is I took just a piece of junk mail, and this is the part that you open, and I went ahead and folded it down. Then I took my scissors, and on the part that's already open here, I just went ahead and cut a slit just like that. Just on the one side, just on one side of it, okay? And then I took it to my sewing machine and just sewed that shut. So then we have a cute little pocket in the back here. So that's as far as I've gotten. And what I want to do is incorporate this little guy, my little hand-drawn little bird on the front, and take some of the collage parts and collage it all in here, and then we have a fun little pocket in the back that we can make a tag to stick down, and then I'll tape it here with some washi, and then we can have a little flip out with it. So let's get started here. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out all your craft supplies. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is take and I'm gonna cut my little birdie here to size to fit on the front right here. That's what I'm going to start off with, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I think it's turning out really cool. So the only thing left over is this much out of the whole digital. So, and I missed out, if you guys can see, I accidentally put this on the other side, and then I had this the wrong way. So that's, you know, gotta work it on out. So I worked it out, made it all work. I think it turned out really cool. I mean, that's just really fun. It all fit together, and I just pieced some pieces together, and you can't really even tell. But now I want to take it to my sewing machine, and I want to make sure to keep this back pocket open, and I'm going to keep this front pocket open. The only thing is if you put anything in the front pocket, it has to be small enough, because when you flip it up, you don't want it, you know, bending or anything like that. I was trying to find something that I have here. Say this is really tall, and then when you go to open it, you don't want to smash it and bend it. So the front pocket, you just have to put little small things in if you wanted to do that. But we'll make a tag for the back, and I think that'll be fun. So I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and just make sure I don't sew these two pockets shut. And I'm just gonna go around, down, into here. And then I could go up the side again if I wanted to. So yeah, let's do that and see how it turns out. Okay, so I got all done with that. I think it turned out really cool. Yeah. So look at that. That's kind of fun. It's all sewn around it. Like I said, I just kept the pockets open here in the front. And I want to put some vintage photo around with the oxide. And just to correct myself, this is not the digital that has the... I was thinking this digital, where it's my tea-dyed, where I did the eco prints around it and some stamping and stuff. That's another digital that I have in my shop. And I confused it with that one, but the one on this one has all my different, they have different words around it, like cherish and imagine. And I just did a bunch of dried flowers and stuff and some clusters. And so this is this is the one I'll have the link down below for you guys. And we'll make a really pretty tag out of one of these. So I just wanted to correct myself. Yeah. Okay, so now I want to take my Distressed Oxide Vintage Photo and just do some inking around. Okay, so there we go. And I think that turned out really fun. Okay, so let's do this. Get our journal out. Make sure you guys can see me. Okay. And what I want to do is just do a fun little flip out. So open it up. Make sure you have it the way you want it with the pockets here. Okay, and then I got my washi. I'm gonna go this way first. And if I wanted to, I could even this page out. So I just got it secured down. Just taped it on both sides here. I did that side and the inside. And I did a little Scotch Create glue stick. So this and this and this, a set of these, I think it was black, vintage, a couple other colors. I don't remember the other colors, but I got a set down there of the oxides, but down in my links if you guys want to come check them out. And also some daubers and refills and stuff, like the little sponges. Okay, so there's that. I think that turned out really fun. I'm really liking this. Okay, now let's do a little tag here. Let's see. Which one do we want? I like Imagine. Let's Imagine. Okay. And we gotta see how wide we want it. I guess I'll keep this here because we need to know how wide. It's a pretty good size. So I know I want the word Imagine in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. I'm being daring today. I usually cut with my my little Fiskar cutter thing, but I don't know. I'm just winging it. Winging it today. Some days, you know, you just do it. Okay. So you don't want it too wide. So I kind of want a big one. That'll be fun. Let's see. It goes pretty deep. Goes down. And we could go all the way. Why not, huh? I know, I think I am a little crooked. Well, that's what I get, huh? We're trying to eyeball it. Okay, let me even it up. Much better. Okay, so let's see. So I'm just gonna make a tag just for the back here. I'm not gonna, if you guys want to do the front, and you can, you know, put whatever you want in the front, just a little fun ephemera stuff. Okay, let's see. I don't want it too hard to get in and out here. I think it's a little wide. Okay, so I got it to fit in there. Now I'm just gonna do a little snip and a little flip. Now I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and I'm just gonna do some fun little sewing around it, and then do some inking and a fun little cluster at the top. So I'll be right back. All right, so I like the way that turned out. All right, and now let's see if we can find some clusters in my clustery mess here. So this is a lot of coffee dye, tea dye, some packaging stuff that I mess with, all kinds of fabrics and stuff. Let's see. So I have some clusters in here. I do have a video, and I will put that at the playlist if you guys want to see how I made these. Okay. Let's see. I know I have some down here. I'm gonna see which one's a match. But I thought it'd be fun. Maybe to do just something. I don't think red. Let's see. Well, we can make a cluster really quick too. Okay, I like the yellow. Let's just put something together really quick. And there we go. Just kind of threw together a little cluster. This is why I keep all my threads when I do my sewing, all my dyed cotton ropes that I use for my little rainbow gift bags and stuff. I have tons of that, and just that's in my Etsy shop. And they're just all dyed. I do them with coffee, and I get them all splattered and stuff on the ones that I don't use in my rainbow bags, and then I use them in my clusters and stuff. So keep all this stuff. It's really fun. It comes into like, I mean, you can make something just right off the cuff like that. Okay, so there we go. That's my little rat's nest here that I love. All right, and there we go. Now let's go ahead and do a little inking. Okay, so there we go. So we got a fun little project that you guys can do. And I hope you guys found this informational. And please make sure to go favor my Etsy shop and come check it out. It really does help me out. And yeah, so there we go. And I like that it sticks over the top like this. So you can have it just at the top. Like that. So it's pretty fun. And you can flip and do whatever you want. I mean, you can even add a little pocket here and do a little pocket. You can do a little pocket up here and put some stuff in it. And you got this front little pocket just to add. Here, let's see. I got some cute little stuff right here. Just some small things, you know. And stuff you don't want to lose though, because you don't want to get it way down in there. So maybe something that you can kind of have stick out. You just don't want it because it'll bend and hit the top right here. So just whatever you could think of to get in here, and you could just kind of reach in and just grab it out. So yeah. So like I said, I hope you guys found this informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.